before I do duct cooling,
Let's do some absorber.
Takes half an hour.
what do you say, Ronnie? Ronnie says yes. He wins, Morgan.
You suck, Ronnie.
I'm going to run this for, oh, this is minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, my. Minutes.
I know, see, don't do it.
You run it?
No.
Minutes. Huh? Let's do it for 5 minutes. We can talk among ourselves. Oh, but first I have to turn off the controller. Oh, and I use 60 as ENGR. And I turn off the controller. The controller has to be negative when you plug the gain in there. Oh, 5 minutes.
Yeah, while you wait on that, you could go to that absorber flow or whatever.
Yes.
And then come back.
You think that would be useful?
I think you could.
You never know, Dr. Trainer.
Especially since you have the controller off, I think you could do at least 1 or 2 more of these.
That experiment's going to be a dud. You got your jump right there.
Yeah, but if it's controller off, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, controller's not doing anything. It's going to stay at 60 the whole time. The controller's off, so the input is going to stay at 60 the whole experiment. So that green line is totally gone. I have a request for, what is it now?
Whatever that other group is that you have up there.
Airflow?
Yeah, absorber.
Well, if that's airflow, does that run off the same system?
It's an absorber. It's not the same as pressure. It's so I'm going to turn the controller off. I didn't have a, so I'm just going to put in 50 for ENGR and see what happens. 30 seconds. While we're waiting on that, let's go back. Oh, look at there. It's 1/3 through now while we just finished shooting the bull. All right. 7 seconds. It's not even up there. This is so slow. Yawn. 17 seconds. All right, so let's say that that's reached steady state. The output value is about 48. So I'm going to go back and put in 48 here. And you'll notice that changing the set point at 10 didn't do anything, so I'm going to change it to 30. And I want to change it from 48 down to a lower temperature, -10. Let's say -5. By the way, notice this is the change of the set point value, not the new set point value. I'm going to do this one.
I think you need to change your
I forgot to.
Yeah.
building for the experiments the same as this.
Oh, look, this one's 2/3 of the way through. And it's about to reach an answer up here. 40.
47.
47. 47. You going to 48?
It's possible.
It's possible. So what I'm gonna do is, while that experiment's still running, I'm gonna go back and put 48 as my initial set point, and I want it to change by -5, let's say. I want it to change by 10. Go to 58. And how long is this thing running? Let me put a 8 in there and change this at 3. Let's see what happens. Now let's look over here. That's sweet. That's sweet. So I'm going to now. What do you think I mean when I say that's sweet?
It's not salty.
The green and red are the same place. You don't believe me? Do you think they're different? This green and red don't agree? Huh?
Pretty close.
Pretty close is good enough. You think I ought to lower the green line? What is it? What was it, 48? I think I might ought to lower it to 46. I'm going to lower the green line. I'm not going to repeat that experiment. Are y'all sharp enough to keep two things juggling at the same time?
On a good
Some
day.
of you pay attention to this and some of you pay attention to
Yeah, you.
this. I did. What, I went 46?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's always nice to have help here. By the way, I have a lot of encouragement for you in some glowing words, which I've forgotten right now, but I encourage you to work together as a team for the next week 11, week 12, week 13, week 14. It will make it a whole lot easier for you, and you'll learn more. All right, so I'm going to turn on the controller. One, just pick a number out of the air.
You guys are actually on this?
I did less of this assignment. You forgot to change the link of the experiment again.
Say it again.
You didn't change the link of the experiment. So it's gonna stop at 30 seconds where the jump in.
For that one there, okay. What do you notice about this?
That was stuff was on the order.
What do you notice about that? I think this must have a zero, must have a zero gain.
Either I'm putting too much information in. What's that?
Anybody see gain over there? Huh?
Oh, right there.
Where's the gain? That zero?
Probably kidding.
And obviously the change in the set point needs to occur later. In a minute. Now, you people on temperature, I'm not going to make you stick around and see this. You can look on the results later. Oh, look at this. Yes. Okay. So I'm gold with this.
I know, right?
And what did you say I did wrong, Morgan? I need to change this to 40. And all right, it's going to take about a minute, and then I'll quit unless you have any questions. By the way, I have a lot of stuff. By the way, let me tell you about the future. I've got a lot of stuff I want to tell you. I put notes down here at the bottom of my grading sheet of things I want to tell you, but not today, okay? Okay, if it's not today,
It's perfectly fine.
perfectly fine with how many minutes?
10.
You know, you could
Yeah.
hold up to the video, Dr. Henry, and we could get it.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Now it's beautiful.
Now it's beautiful. And in 30 seconds, the set point's going to come down by 5 from 40 something. Look, it came down. And the, what is this? Airflow rate, water flow rate, one of those. Airflow. Like the airflow rate's coming down? Just like it's supposed to. The controller's working. Wait, one more thing. Let's look at the temperature again, see what's happening. What happened? Oh, is the other one running? How many of you know that you can click on experiment list here and you get a list of all the experiments? So I'm going to look at the other temperature thing here. All right, look at that later. Outstanding question? London, and by the way, don't come to school on Friday. Nobody's going to be here. Friday's a holiday. Monday at noon, the results in this table, different values of KC for your system experiment. All right.